Hello Aquarius, how are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are. I welcome you all to my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving beautiful messages to me. Thank you so much for supporting it. Okay, this is your extended love reading. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, Aquarius, you can skip it out and you can leave it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. Okay, gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the extended reading. In the main reading, I have already uploaded your video. You can have a look on your main reading, okay, by checking it out. And let's start your extended love reading. In this video, I'm going to clarify these energy in the extended one so that I can get a more deeper meaning of these cards. Okay, so I'm going to clarify one more time. I'm going to tell you one more time. Before clarification, I'm going to tell you one more time what were the energies. Aquarius, there was someone around you in the past who broke your heart basically. And by Three of Swords is there. But with that person, either you were married to that person or you were having kids with that person. Okay, there is Ten of Cups. The family, there was a family with this person. Okay, there was a family criteria with this person. Okay, but by that, whatever was happened in the past, you are right now resting and rejuvenating yourself. You're taking care of yourself, you are resting and you are rejuvenating yourself, you're doing your inner work, you are doing your healing. Some of you Aquarius are unable to make a decision. Two of Swords is here. You are waiting your ships to come. Someone is spying on you. There is a Page of Swords here. Either you are spying on someone or someone is spying on you, keeping tabs on you through social media, through WhatsApp, internet, Instagram, whatever it is. So there is someone around you who is keeping tabs on you, or you are keeping tabs on someone. Okay, so here it is. There is Seven of Pentacle here. There is Six of Pentacle and Ace of Pentacles. You are looking towards your love life, Aquarius, and you are worried that whether there is someone in this universe or in this world who is going to give me this equal amount of give and take, who is going to give me love, who is going to give me stable commitment offer. Okay, the stability, and you want to get that relationship into a high level of commitment, but the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, and the player kind of energy, there was someone who is a player kind of energy. The Knight of Wands is here, the Tower is here, then there is Queen of Cups and the Moon. There were some secrets which was hidden from you, which you were unaware of. The divine is intervening in your situation, and while shuffling also I'm having here the Tower again. So something is shaking up here. The unexpected changes are happening, and it's not bad, because sometimes divine has to intervene in your situation so that you can make the necessary changes which are required for your life. So some unexpected things are happening in your life so that you can make the necessary decisions, necessary changes, necessary choices for yourself. You are rising as an Empress, Aquarius, and you are very defensive right now. Your guards are very much high because you have gone through a lot in the past. That's why you are not trusting, maybe that's the word I'm getting here right now. You are not trusting anyone else. You do not want to get in this kind of energy again, but there is someone around you. This is the new one. There is King of Wands here. So I'm getting two energies for your reading today. There is someone around you who is giving you this passionate new beginning. King of Wands is all about passionates, passion, creativity, very passionate new beginning. They are offering you passionate new beginning, but you are at the crossroads, Aquarius. You have to make a choice for your life, but some of you Aquarius are unable to make a decision for your life. That's why the divine is intervening in your situations, because you have to make a decision for your life. You are at the crossroads and you have to make a necessary decisions. Okay, now let's start your clarification. Let's see why there is Page of Swords, Magician, Three of Swords, bottom of the deck, I'm having Page of Swords, Page of Cups again. Okay, so there is someone who is trying to approach you. They saying sorry, Aquarius. Maybe you receive some kind of small message from someone, but they are keeping tabs on you. Okay, there is Three of Swords again here. There is someone who broke your heart. That one is spying on you. Okay. What's the Judgment? Clarify me, Judgment. Please help me out to clarify what is the meaning of Judgment. Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Eight of Wands. Some kind of communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay. After this communication, see, this is you. You are making a judgment for yourself. Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, Queen of Pentacles. You are someone who is now getting to know that you are happy, abundant, and enjoying your singlehood. Maybe you are very financially stable and strong. You can manage your finances for your life. But some kind of communication is coming towards you. Let me see now. See. Why there is Three of Swords? Bottom of the deck, I am having Queen of Swords. Okay, this is you. This is you. There is Seven of Swords, Stars, Ten of Swords, and Five of Pentacles. There were deceptions, lies, cheating, manipulation, which were going on for you, Aquarius. Seven of Swords, the Star is here. You were hoping for new hopes, new desires, but they put you all the swords in your bag. Ten of Swords is there is an ending, there is completion. That's why the World card is here. You're completing a cycle, you are wrapping up a cycle, and you're leaving that person behind. You're leaving a situation or a person or a condition behind, because that person was giving you lies, cheating, manipulation a lot. Okay, that's why I told you, maybe that's why you are very defensive right now. Clarify me. Clarify me, Ace of Pentacle. Who is giving Ace of Pentacle to Aquarius? Why there is Ace of Pentacle? Clarify me, Ace of Pentacle. Five of Swords, King of Swords. This is your counterpart who is trying to give you, but there are conflicts around this person. There are some conflicts around this person, but this is the King of Swords who is trying to give you some kind of stable committed offer, but there are conflicts around this person. Do not worry, Aquarius. Do not worry, Aquarius. It's okay. Okay, let me see more. Why there is Knight of Wands? The Strength. Clarify Knight of Wands. Who is this Knight of Wands? Clarify Knight of Wands. Again, the Tower has come. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Four of Pentacles. You are holding back from them, Aquarius. See, Four of Swords, Four of Pentacles. There were You're doing your resting and rejuvenating yourself. There is Five of Wands again. There were a lot of drama, conflicts, fighting, arguments with this person. You are keeping your strength with you. There is Three of Cups again. The third party situation was there, but that is going to end now. There is a death here, and the Tower is happening for you. The Tower and the Tower, two towers are here. Okay, the Tower is happening for you. Whatever situation was there in the past, it's going to end, and some unexpected changes are coming for your life because you are holding back from that person. You're resting and rejuvenating yourself. There were drama around this person. There were conflicts around this person. Why there is Tower? Nine of Swords. You are spending sleepless nights at night. You are unable to sleep at night, Aquarius. You are spending sleepless nights. You want, and you're getting your clarity. You want clarity in your life. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Swords. You want clarity in your life. You are unable to move in a forward direction. The Wheel of Fortune and the Ace of Swords. The Ace of Swords is here. So you want the clarity in your life, basically. Because of this situation, because of this relationship, you are unable to sleep at night properly. You're spending sleepless nights. That's why the Tower is happening for you. Why there is Queen of Cups? Okay, this is the King of Wands and Queen of Cups is the same person. King of Wands is here and there is Page of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Pentacles. They're saying sorry. They're approaching you with a small apology. 1212 was the recording reading time. There is someone around you who is having secrets hidden from you. This is the Queen of Cups. Okay, but they were keeping some kind of secrets which are hidden from you, which you don't know. Let me see what are there. Clarify me, Moon. What are the secrets which are hidden from Aquarius? No. What are the secrets? What are the secrets which are hidden? Two of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, Two of Swords, High Priestess and Seven of Cups. You were juggling a lot, Aquarius, to bring a balance in your life, in your situations, in two situations. You were hoping there is some Nine of Cups, your wish fulfillment is there, but you are unable to make a decision. Maybe you are having lots of options to explore. Maybe they were having lots of options to explore. And you are using your intuitions, and that's the secret which is hidden from you, but that they are having lots of options other than you. But you think that they are your wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups is here, the Nine of Cups. They were exploring many options other than you. You are using your intuitions, and by using your intuitions, you get to know that they are exploring other options other than you. They were keeping their options open other than you. That's the secret which was hidden from you, and you know it because you are using your intuitions. You are very intuitive person, and you're getting success in it. Six of Wands is there. You are getting success in knowing that. Why there is an Empress? Six of Swords. You're coming towards the calmer waters. Do not worry at all. Okay, you are coming towards the calmer waters. Why there is King of Wands? Okay. Someone from your past. Six of Cups is here, bottom of the deck. This you were either married to this person, Hierophant, Lovers, and Three of Pentacle again has come here. This was your lover, this was your love of your life, the Lovers is here. You are married to this person, the Hierophant is here. And or you, if you are not married, so you were committed to this person for a long period of time. And there is Three of Pentacles here again. This person is from your past. Okay. So there is no two energy. There is only one energy around you who is trying to come back around you. Yeah, right. See, the Emperor and the Two of Cups. I was taking the clarification of Two of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ten of Pentacles. Beautiful Aquarius. Now they are coming back to you. This is the reading for those someone from your past is coming back. That's what I can see, that Aquarius, with whom you were married, or you were committed to long period of time. Okay, they're coming back. That's what I can say, that from this reading they're coming back, and they get to know, they are now offering you Two of Cups. But see again, Page of Swords has come. They're keeping tabs on you. They're spying on you. This Emperor is spying on you. They're looking that what my Aquarius are up to. What are they? What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they up to? They're keeping tabs on you. Now they want to offer you Two of Cups. Why there is Ace of Wands? Clarify Ace of Wands. Who is giving Ace of Wands to Aquarius? Four of Swords, Ace of Swords, Knight of Cups. You are resting and rejuvenating yourself. You're getting your clarity, and there is someone around you who is Knight of Cups, who is giving you some passionate new beginning in your life. There is a Knight of Cup here. This one is the loyal one, the romantic one. There are two energies around you, Aquarius. One is from your past lover, your ex-lover is coming back, who was there in your life, with whom you are married, with whom you are having kids, with whom you are having family life. Or if you are not married, if you are not having kids, so you are committed to this person for a long period of time. They're coming back. They're coming back to start a new chapter with you. See, they want to give you now Ace of Cups. But I'm not going to take it. Okay. Let me see why there is Nine of Cups. Temperance, Ace of Pentacle. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Wands. You're keeping your patience. You're trying to balance a situation a lot. You're trying to balance your life, but someone is trying to give you Ace of Pentacle, the stable. Again, the Ace of Pentacle has come here, and there was Ace of Pentacle here again. Stable, committed offer to you, which was your wish fulfillment. They're offering you Two of Wands, Justice, and Queen of Wands. That's the karmic justice which you are getting for. This is the unexpected change which is coming in your life. You did not expect them to come back to you. But that's the karmic justice which is served in your case. And there is Two of Wands again here. Clarify me, Wheel of Fortune. Clarify me why there is Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Ten of Wands and Sun. Beautiful. Because they were 10 of Wands, there is 10 of Swords. Both are here. You're completing a cycle. That's why the World card is here. Now you're getting new beginnings. The happiest card in the tarot deck. You're completing a cycles because there is 10. You are carrying lots of burden on your shoulder. You were hurt a lot. They put you all the swords in your back. But now you are receiving the good karma for your life, Aquarius. The World card is here. Completing a cycle, now getting new beginnings for your life. That's the Wheel of Fortune moving in your favor. You're getting happy new beginnings for you. There are happy new beginnings which are coming for you. Okay, let me see more. Clarify me, Two of Swords. Four of Wands, bottom of the deck. I'm having Five of Cups. Oh, okay. I need to show you this. Devil, Five of Cups. They are very unhappy without you. There is something which is not good for you, Aquarius. They are coming back to give you Six of Pentacles. You walk away from them in the past, and now they are trying to come back to you. They're trying to come back to you. There is some kind of devil energy attached to your relationship. Maybe this person was very toxic, obsessed, okay, narcissist, maybe. You are feeling very sad remorse on those things which has been fallen out, and you think that this is your divine counterpart. The Four of Wands is here. Why there is Six of Pentacles? The Hermit, the King of Pentacles, and the Five of Wands. There were drama conflicts around you, Aquarius, and you were doing your soul searching. You're taking the energy of Hermit, and you are doing your soul searching, your inner work. Okay, let me clarify. Ten of Cups. Why there is Ten of Cups? See, Ace of Wands, Eight of Pentacles. Before you put a lot of efforts, lot of time in this relationship, you have put lot of time, energy, money, whatever you can say. You have done lot of you have done lot of things for this relationship. You give them a passionate new beginning. You put lot of efforts in this relationship, but now you are holding back from them. Four of Pentacles is there. Okay, clarify me, Three of Wands. See, again bottom of the deck I'm having Devil. Okay, Eight of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, Four of Cups. You are feeling restricted, stuck. You are waiting your ships to come, I know that, but you are unable to make a decision. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, and there is someone who is offering you cup, but you are not accepting it. You are not in a mood to accept that cup because you are feeling very restricted, very stuck in a situation, in a relationship, maybe in a condition. Why there is Seven of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles. You're holding back from them. You're thinking that this person is going to do again the same things. Your person is coming back from your past lives. Maybe some of you already got your offer from your past person. Okay. And you manifested it, Aquarius. That's why there is Three of Swords and Magician is here. You were unable to move in a forward direction. You were doing your healing work, I know that, but you were unable to move in a forward direction. You want new beginnings with this person, and this person is coming back. Why there is Seven of Wands? Clarify Seven of Wands. Empress. Page of Pentacles, Chariot, and Knight of Wands. They are trying to give you some small offer, but this person is a player kind of energy. They're saying that they want to move with you, they want to move forward with you. That's why you are very defensive. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Empress. Then there is Moon. Then there is Knight of Swords. They're rushing towards you, and you know that there are some secrets which are hidden from you. There are some secrets which are hidden from you which you don't know about it. Okay. Why there is Three of Pentacles? Clarify Three of Pentacles. Again these cards has come. Knight of Swords, Moon, Empress, and the Justice. They're rushing towards you, Aquarius. They see you as someone who is an empress. But they know that there are some secrets which are hidden from you. And the justice has been served in your case. What's the justice served in your case? That you're getting new beginnings for yourself. Why there is Three of Cups? Why there is Three of Cups? Clarify Three of Cups. See, you're feeling like an hangman. You are resting and rejuvenating yourself. Your guards are very high. You are still in a mood to fight. You are saying that I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to give up. I want equal amount of give and take, and I will get success in achieving that. And that's very good. So that was your clarification. Why there is Four of Swords? Why there is Four of Swords? Ten of Cups. Three of Wands, King of Cups, Queen of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, Ace of Cups. Your defenses are high. They're offering you Ace of Cups, but you are saying you're not in a mood to accept it. They're coming towards you. Maybe you are unable to see right now because the Knight of Pentacles is the slowest knight. But they are coming, Aquarius. They're coming towards you. They're coming towards you to give you Ace of Cups. To give you Ace of Cups. And this person is from your past. You both know each other. Okay, let me see what is the advice for my lovely Aquarius from the divine, from the universe. Please give me what is the advice for the Aquarius. What is the advice? Queen of Wands. What is the advice? Please help me out, guys. God, spirits, angel, fairy. Every single positive energy around me. Give me the advice for Aquarius. What is the advice? Again, bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Pentacles. The advice from the divine, from the universe is Aquarius, that you know that there are two roads which are leading in your life, which are you, there is a decision which is pending in your life, okay, which you have to make. Okay, there is two of wands here, and there are drama conflicts around this person. The seven of cups is here. They are exploring other options other than you. They are keeping their options other than you. There are lots of drama, fighting, conflicts with this person. There is three of pentacle and queen princess of cups here is there. Lot of threes are there. You are unable to make a decision, but use your intuitions. Use your intuitions. High priestess, lovers, and two of swords is here. Use your intuitions. Use your intuitions. Completing a cycle, the world card is here again. Completing a cycle, the karmic cycle is there. It's just a karmic cycle which you need to complete. You are single, happy, abundant in your own way. There is a devil which is attached to it, which is trying to give you two of cups. The devil is trying to give you two of cups. Eight of swords. You're feeling restricted, stuck in your energy. There is eight of swords, nine of swords. Again, knight of wands. They will always give you this energy. Can you see knight of wands is here? Because this is a player kind of energy, Aquarius. They put you in a third party situation. Because of that person, you are unable to move in a forward direction. You're feeling stuck, restricted. You are unable to sleep at night. And they're offering you two of cups. This devil is offering you two of cups. You know that you are single, abundant of everything. Okay. The two of cups was there again. Here also I was having two of cups. Okay. So the advice from the divine is that you know that what is right for you, what is not right for you. Okay. Just choose according to, use your intuitions. Your intuition will guide you very properly. Okay, here it is the emperor and the two of cups. But the emperor is the devil. There is some toxicity which is attached to this person. Just you need to take care of that thing. Okay, just need to take care of that thing, that there is some toxicity which is attached to them. But what I can see here is that this is your divine counterpart. There is an emperor and empress both here. So choose according to your intuitions. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. Yes, there are some secrets which are hidden from you. There were a lot of drama in the past, but someone from your past is coming back. They're coming back to offer you some kind of offer. They are trying to give you now everything. They want you basically, Aquarius. They want you. With that person, you are having family dynamics. Maybe you are already married to this person, or you are committed to this person for a long period of time. But they broke your heart several times. There is lies, cheating, manipulation going on with this person. There are seven of swords. There is three of swords two times. Can you see this girl is screaming a lot? They broke your heart several times into pieces. Can you see? And after that you were resting and rejuvenating yourself. So take care of that thing. If you're going to continue with this person, just you need to take care of that thing, that there is no deceptions, lies, cheating, manipulation. Again, there is no drama. Again, for you, there is no secrets which are hidden from you. So that was your extended love reading for December 2020. But someone from your past is coming back. They are coming back now. They see you as someone who is an empress, and they get to know, maybe they get to realize that you are the right choice, you are the right person for them. That's why they're coming back. But they're coming back for sure. Someone from your past who is there, who broke your heart, okay, with whom you were married, you are having family dynamics, or if you're not married, you are committed to them a long period of time, they're coming back for you. Okay, so sending you lots of love and light to Aquarius all over the world. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, Aquarius, and see you soon.